everyone, and welcome back to Slow and Clear English Podcast,
where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am wonderful today. The sun is out. It is a beautiful morning. And you, Jake?
I am very happy today. I have a story.
Oh, a story? Tell me.
So, last week, I went to my coffee shop, and I used my introduction from our last episode.
The barista. You said you wanted to practice with the barista.
Yes, I said, "Hello, my name is Jake. I'm originally from Poland." And she smiled, and she said, "Oh, really? Where in Poland?"
She asked you a question back.
Yes, I answered. I said, "Krakow." She said, "I have a friend from Krakow," and we talked for 5 minutes.
Jake, that is wonderful.
It was amazing. A real conversation with a stranger in English.
And how did it feel?
Like a champion.
You remembered.
Always. But Judy, here is the problem.
Oh, what happened?
At the end, I wanted to ask her something. I wanted to say, "Where are you from?" But in my head, I was not sure. Is it where you are from or where are you from? The words got confused.
Ah, yes, this is very common.
I said, nothing. I just smiled and left.
So you could answer questions, but asking them, that was harder.
Yes, answering is one thing. Asking is a completely different skill.
And that is exactly our topic today.
Yes?
How to ask questions in English. WH questions.
WH questions? What does that mean?
It means questions that start with what, where, when, who, why, how.
Oh, the question words. I know these words, but I don't always know how to use them correctly.
Today, we fix that. By the end of this episode, you will know how to ask any question.
Any question? I am ready. But first, a small message.
Yes, if you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button. And share this episode with a friend who is learning English, especially a friend who wants to ask better questions.
Questions are how we connect with people. Good questions make good conversations.
Exactly. Okay, let's start. First, let's meet our 6 question words. I call them the 6 magic words.
6 magic words. I like that name.
Word number 1. What? W-H-A-T. What?
What? For things, for objects, for actions.
Yes. What do you eat? What is your name? What do you like?
What?
Word number 2. Where? W-H-E-R-E. Where?
Where? For places. Where do you live?
Good. Word number 3. When? W-H-E-N. When?
When? For time. When do you start work?
Perfect. Word number 4. Who? W-H-O. Who?
Who? For people. Who is she?
Yes. Word number 5. Why? W-H-Y. Why?
Why? For reasons. Why are you happy?
Exactly. And the last one. How? H-O-W. How?
How? How is different. It doesn't start with W-H.
Good observation. You are right. How starts with H, but we always put it in the W-H group.
Okay, 6 words. What, where, when, who, why, how.
Say them one more time.
What, where, when, who, why, how.
Good. Now, a simple way to remember.
Can I add something?
Of course.
What, where, when, who, why all start with W, and how starts with H. So 5 W's and 1 H.
That is the official name, Jake. 5 W's and 1 H. You know your grammar.
I pay attention.
Now, how do we build a question? We have 2 patterns. Let's look at pattern 1.
Okay, pattern 1. What is it?
WH word plus do or does plus the subject plus the verb.
Say that again slowly.
WH word, then do or does, then the subject, then the verb. For example, what do you eat? What is the WH word, do is next, you is the subject, eat is the verb.
What do you eat? I see the formula.
Try one. Use the word where.
Where do you live?
Perfect. Now, when do we use does instead of do?
Do is for I, you, we, they. Does is for he, she, it.
Yes, you remember the rule.
So, where does she live, not where do she live?
Exactly. Where does she live? He, she, it always does.
When does he start work?
Perfect.
Why does Max sleep so much?
Max, your dog. Why does Max sleep so much? That is a very good question.
I ask him every day. He never answers.
Of course. Okay, let's practice more. I give you the pieces, you build the question.
Ready.
Where you live.
Where do you live?
Good. What she eat for breakfast.
What does she eat for breakfast?
Perfect. When they wake up.
When do they wake up?
Beautiful. One more. Who he work with.
Who does he work with?
You got it.
Do for I, you, we, they. Does for he, she, it. I will not forget this rule.
Say it one more time.
Do, I, you, we, they. Does, he, she, it.
Perfect. That is the rule.
The formula works. What word plus do or does plus subject plus verb?
Yes, that is pattern 1. Now, pattern 2. This one is simpler.
Simpler? I like simpler.
Pattern 2. What word plus is or are plus the noun or adjective?
No do or does in this one?
No. When the answer uses the verb be, we use is or are in the question.
Give me an example.
What is your name? What is your name, not what do your name?
Ah, because name uses is. My name is Jake.
Exactly. Where is the station? Who is she? How is your day?
Let me try. Why are you happy?
Perfect. Why are you happy? That uses are because you are happy.
And what is your favorite food?
Beautiful. Very natural question.
2 patterns. Pattern 1 with do or does. Pattern 2 with is or are.
That covers most questions in daily English.
2 formulas, 6 magic words. I feel more confident already.
Good, because now we practice with real life. I call these the 6 must-know questions, the questions you will use every day.
I want all of them.
Question 1. What do you do? This means, what is your job?
Oh, what do you do doesn't mean what are you doing right now. It means your job.
Exactly. It is one of the most common questions in English. What do you do? I am a teacher. I am a designer.
What do you do, Judy?
I am an English teacher.
See, it works perfectly.
Question 2. Where are you from?
I know this one. I'm originally from Poland.
Good. Question 3. How are you?
Everyone knows this one.
Yes, but many people stop at, I am fine, thank you. A better answer is, I am good. And you? Keep the conversation going.
I am good. And you? 2 words that change everything.
Exactly. Question 4. What time is it?
Useful, especially when you want to start a conversation with a stranger.
Yes. Excuse me, what time is it? Very polite, very natural.
Excuse me, what time is it? I can say that.
Question 5. Where do you live?
Good for getting to know someone new.
And question 6. What do you like?
What do you like? Simple, direct, it opens a conversation.
Yes. Let's practice all 6 right now. Jake, ask me the 6 questions, one by one.
Okay, ready. Question 1. What do you do, Judy?
I am an English teacher.
Question 2. Where are you from?
I'm originally from Poland.
Question 3. How are you?
I am wonderful today. Thank you for asking.
Question 4. What time is it?
It is the perfect time to learn English.
That is not a real answer, Judy.
Okay. It is about 10 o'clock in the morning.
Question 5. Where do you live?
I live in a small, cozy apartment in the city.
And question 6. What do you like?
I like teaching, I like reading, and I love a good cup of tea in the morning.
I feel like I know you better now.
And you asked all 6 questions perfectly.
The formulas work.
Now, one final challenge.
A challenge. Good.
We are going to do a mini interview. Jake, you will interview me. 1 question for each word. 6 questions. Use all 6 magic words.
Like a journalist.
Exactly. You are Jake the journalist.
Jake the journalist. I like that. Ready? First question. What is your favorite thing about teaching?
My favorite thing is when a student understands something for the first time. Their eyes get bigger. They say, "Oh," and I think, yes, that is why I do this.
Second question. Where do you go when you need to relax?
I go for a walk. No music, no phone, just me and the street. I think, I breathe, I feel better.
Third question. When did you start teaching English?
I started about 8 years ago. I was very nervous at first, but I loved it immediately.
Judy, when did you start? That is different. I used did, not do.
Good ear, Jake. Yes, when plus did plus subject plus verb, that is for the past. When did you start means in the past at what time.
Same word, different helper. When did for past, when do for present.
Exactly. Same family, different time.
I am making connections.
The best students do. Continue the interview.
Fourth question. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is someone from university. We don't live in the same city now, but we talk every week. Good friends don't need distance.
Fifth question. Why do you love English?
Because English opens doors. You can talk to people from all over the world. You can understand movies, books, songs. English is a key, and a key opens everything.
That is beautiful, Judy.
Thank you.
Sixth and last question. How do you stay so calm all the time?
That is a very kind question. I think I remember that everyone is learning. Everyone is trying, and trying is already enough.
That is wisdom.
Now, 2 questions for you, Jake.
Okay, ready.
What is one thing you want to learn this year?
I want to speak English without thinking. To just talk. Natural. Easy. No more frozen moments at the coffee shop.
That is a beautiful goal. And my last question, why do you love learning English?
Because I want to connect, to talk to people, to travel, to feel free when I speak. English gives me that freedom.
Jake, that was a perfect answer.
Thank you, Judy.
Okay, let's review what we learned today.
Yes, review time.
The 6 magic words.
What, things and actions, where, places, when, time, who, people, why, reasons, how, ways.
Good. 2 patterns. Pattern 1.
Word plus do or does plus subject plus verb. What do you eat? Where does she live?
Pattern 2.
Word plus is or are plus noun. What is your name? How is your day?
And the 6 must-know questions?
What do you do? Where are you from? How are you? What time is it? Where do you live? What do you like?
Perfect. And the bonus?
When plus did for the past. When did you start? Same word, past tense helper.
You remembered everything.
I had a very good teacher.
And one more thing. Questions are not just grammar. They're a gift.
A gift?
When you ask someone a question, you say, I am interested in you. I want to know you. That is a very kind thing.
Questions show you care.
Yes, use them well. Well, that's all the time we have for today. And give this episode a like. It helps us reach more learners.
And share it with a friend who is learning English.
And we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
What is one question you want to ask in English? Write it in the comments. Use one of our 6 magic words. What, where, when, who, why, or how.
We would love to read your questions. We really would.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.